What is it next? Oh! You had to open this. Whoa! Now, ready to open it? Uh-oh, Mom.
What? It's okay. You need help?
Yeah. See? Total.
Here.
Pop? Get this tangled. Huh. That must be easy. Oh. Yuki, your birthday.
Look at all those cars you have, Luke.
Like,
Yeah, so
you
lucky.
got 2 more things. You got a goodie bag and like 1 more present. Which one do I open? Is that